Hey everybody, it's Liz, your HQISS for Social Studies. I just put this quick video together for you. I know you guys are anxiously awaiting how do I create my own tests for my new AP courses. I reached out to Katie Hall at Cengage, and she gave us access to Cognero, which is a way to build your own test bank that you can print. And I think you're going to really be happy that we have this. So here you go. It's really simple. Now that you've already selected your textbooks, you're going to come down to the bottom of the page and where it says Access Instructor Supplements, and it has the Cognero American Government right here, or whatever your textbook is. This just happens to be American Government. So you're going to click on that. And for those of you who have used ExamView, this is going to look really similar to that. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new, I'm going to do it this way, create a new test. I'm going to give my test a title. I'm going to call it Introduction to U.S. Government. I know it's an original title. All right, so once I've got my title done, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to select Build an Empty Test, and then I'm going to click on Finish. Yay, and then I look at this, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to create a whole test from scratch. But wait, I'm going to come over here under Question Sets. Yay, I'm going to click on the box, the little line here that has AP US Gov. And then I have all of these choices. Now this is an introduction. I really want to know what the kids know about the Senate, the House, executive branch, judicial branch. So I'm going to look over here, see what I can find. Oh, yay, the judiciary. Oh, yay, I know, right, funny. Okay, so I'm going to pick, I'm just going to pick one to show you how this works. It's super easy. You can, when you hover over it, it's going to show you what the test question is. Give it a second to load, and then you can decide what you want to use or not. So I'm just going to pull this one over just to show you how this works. It's super easy. It is in. That's how easy it is. I want to add a test question. I come over to the plus sign. Very intuitive, right? And I'm going to select something I want to do. Just a multiple choice. Maybe I want to do something higher level. Let's do an objective short answer. So it doesn't really matter. We click on that, whatever it is. What I want you to notice here is you're going to be able to add things in here, like you can add an image. So if you want to put something in here as far as a picture goes, you guys know, add it. It works. Alrighty, then you're just going to hit OK when you're done. That was a really big question for me there. And it's going to put it right in here. Now you can see the answer, but what's great is when you go to actually use the test and you want to print that, you're going to go to export, you're going to print as a Word document, you're going to click on that, and the answers are gone. So you have your answer key, and then you also have a printable test for your students. So I'm hoping this is helpful for you guys. Appreciate your patience as we get all of our new resources up and running. And if you need anything else, please reach out to your local ISS. If you don't have one, Europe East, until you get one, please feel free to reach out to me. All right, thanks you guys, and have a great day.